So this is an unsponsored video, non-sponsored by Joe Deere. I bought with my own money. Here's what comes in the box. You get your hair and you get a wig cap. I've gotten some that come with lashes, but this one is not one of them. It comes with baby hairs as well. See? But they're long ones. But let me see. Oh man. I can just edit that. Okay, so it comes with a comb in the back and 2 on the sides and free parting space. You see that free parting space? And it has baby hairs. Let's see what it looks like up close. That's pretty good. It matches pretty well. Pretty decent. But I'm going to use my perfect line for this place in here. No. Yeah. So let me go ahead and get that situated. Then I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to use my handy dandy perfect line. Lace and grid. What does it say? Lace, grid, wig grids, filler, and knots eraser. That's what this is. What you do is you put in a cup of hot water. You put the hot water in the microwave for like 2.5 minutes or 2 minutes. 2.5 minutes is really super hot. So I put it a little bit too hot, but you can put it 2 minutes. Make sure it's closed up tight. Put it inside, facing down. And like this, see? This way, facing down. Ow, this is so hot. Ow. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to show you something, but I can't. I'll just forget it. Yeah, it's, anyways, you put it facing down. Inside. That's what you do. And you leave it there for a couple minutes. Meanwhile, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the lace. I mean, not cut the lace, but cut the tag off. And you only gotta leave it in there for a minute, 2 minutes. I didn't get this one. All right. So let me show you what it looks like on. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on. Let me just close that door before people start yelling. And all that. It is not big hit friendly, by the way. I can't even put it on. Takes off my wig cap and everything. Damn. Wow. So not cool. So not cool. Let me try it again. It has to work. I've done it before. I've tried it on already once. Try that again. And I mean, you can just flat iron all this down and everything because it is real. So this is what it looks like on with. I mean, it's pretty good parting space. I don't know what. See? But up here, I'm going to have to flat iron this part down because I don't like all that hit. I don't like that big poof on top. Baby hairs are decent. You know, I might have to cut them a little shorter. But, you know. Alright, so let me go ahead and put this other side. With this perfect line, let's go ahead and put that on and see what it's like. There. Wow, it actually stays. Okay, cool. So, I mean, it looks nice. I think so. It's just, I gotta make this poof on top go down with my flat iron. So I'm gonna do that. No, I'm not gonna use a flat iron. I'm gonna use a hot comb to do that. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this perfect line after it's been sitting in the hot water for a minute. Not literally 1 minute, but you know, a minute. Kind of hard to open. Oh, fuck. That was not supposed to happen. Oh my gosh. I forgot about that part. I let it sit too long. I left it in there too long. I got this all over my hair. Oh my gosh. Stuff is pretty tricky. This stuff is just pretty tricky to use overall. It's real tricky. Probably should eat. And what you do is you roll it up. So put some on one side already, some on this side, and you just rub it on there.
Lucas Bennett, can you come with me? Sit here. นี่เป็นแฟ้มของแม่เด็กหนูได้ดูแล้วเขาบอกว่าแม่ของเด็กคนนี้ตาย
That way,
ผ่าตัดแล้ว
when you put it on, it looks more like scalp. You see that?
Your name is Lucas Bennett, is that right?
It looks more like a scalp.
And your mother's name is Maria Bennett, is that correct? Huh? We'd like you to look at these things, please, and see if you recognize any of them.
But you gotta keep doing it a little bit over and over and over because it gets hard real quick.
Someone must have changed her records during surgery. How is she? She's had surgery on her chest, but she lost a lot of blood. She was too weak to have her leg operated on. She has to go back to surgery when she recovers. She'll be okay, right?
And the globs that keep coming up, you can just mold them back on top to the top and use them over again. Don't throw away the little globs. It's like it's messy, dude. Like I've seen people do it and it's not this messy. But I don't know, for some reason I'm having trouble with it. I might have to switch to the scar away. Cause this Alright, I think that's good enough. Alright. Let me just get these patches. One more sweep, one more wipe. And we'll get it done. Okay. I'm just filling up these patches. I think that's pretty much good. And that's all you do, just rub it on there. Okay, so it came out better this time. So I figured out the way to make it come out better. You gotta put it in the microwave and the water at the same time. Microwave and the water at the same time for 30 seconds to a minute. And you gotta keep applying back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, till you get it to the right consistency, to where you want it. This is what it looks like on the inside. And see what you can do with all these little pieces sticking up, mold them down like clay. Like putty kind of feels like. And that's what you do. And when you put it on, you're gonna see. When I put it on, you're gonna see the difference. You can't really tell now, but when I put it on, you'll see. Okay, so next step I'm gonna do is I'm going to put some rubbing alcohol, 91%. And it's kind of hard to find these days because, you know, the coronavirus going on and everything. Well, when you find some, you better stock up. Get at least 2 bottles, 2, 3. Wipe it on top of your forehead where you're going to put the glue. Get off the makeup and everything else. But I usually put them on before I put the makeup on. And then I have it tied down, then I put my makeup on. But this time is different because I'm trying to do a video. My first video install. So bear with me, okay? But the thing is, I have to cut the lace. I forgot about that part. Oh boy, let me do that first. Oh. I'm gonna cut the lace. I'm gonna cut the lace off camera. I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the lace off camera. I'm gonna put Got to Be on. Ooh, these nails, girl. That's hard to work with. Put one layer of that one. One layer of the white one. And you really want to hold it down. Just put some of this on top of that. Then we blow dry. It's not working right. It's too small for my head. Oh, it has bangs a little bit too. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron this part now. Much better. Gonna use my pressing oil. See how long it is? See, I'm not going to plug the edges because there's no point. It doesn't even go all the way down to my... Maybe if I put this comb... I'm not going to be gluing it down on all the way around today. Not today.
Hey, Dad. Mom,
What?
did you know that yesterday was my dad's birthday?
No. How old is he?
Hey, Dad, how old are you?
How old, Skylan? Skylan, tell him I said happy birthday too.
He's 39. Alright, tell him.
Tell him, give him my number. Skylan,
Yes, I'll tell him.
give him my phone number.
I'll give you the phone, you can talk to him.
No, I'm making a video right now. Okay, so I'm gonna put some baby hairs on. I mean, these baby hairs are just too long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut these. I want to keep the crinkles in a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So I just did a little bit of that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the powder to the parts. a free parking space. See that? Boom. Perfect. What?
Did you know that now there are 65,368 cases of COVID?
Wow.
I know.
That's
This is bad.
that's crazy. I don't know why.
This
I don't know how people are
virus is
catching it.
Bad. It's crazy bad.
It's because people go to strip clubs.
No, that's not the only thing. People go everywhere and they still catch it, bro. That's not the only thing.
No, because in strip places that don't wear you don't wear masks.
That might
At strip clubs, they don't wear masks.
That might be one of them. The masks, not wearing masks, and people going to like college dorms and stuff, parties and stuff. It's really bad. People are just so immature.
Yeah, they are.
They act like 2-year-olds.
Victor too. I mean, he's around all these people.
Why you end up liking it? You know how we act, man.
Because I love him, Skyland. All right, and that's the finished look. You see, it ain't going nowhere. And this is all synthetic hair. Yaki texture.